Hello dear students, today we are going to conduct our second engineering mechanics practicals, simple lifting machines, simple screw jack. I am Professor N.G. More from Mechanical Engineering departments. The objective of the experiment is to find out the velocity ratio, mechanical advantage, efficiency of the machines and law of machines. So this is a schematic for a screw jack. Part A is indicating the loading platform. On the loading platform we are applying the load. Part B is indicating the pulley which is used to support roll the ropes which is wounded to the pulley. And part C is indicating the effort spans where we are applying the efforts, and when the effort are applying, the pulley will get rotate and the load will get lift. Before to start the experiment, here we have to take the two observations. One is the circumference of the effort wheel and second one is the pitch of the screw. Loading platform on which the load is kept. This is the rope wounded to the pulley. Pan is connected to the one end of the rope for to apply the efforts. This is a double-ended pulley. This is the teeth of the screw. This is supporting structure for the simple screw jack, and this is wheel which is used to support the rope. This screw jack is used to lift a axle of a vehicle. Generally we will say at the time of when the tire will get punctures, at that time we will use the screw jack to lift a axle of the vehicle and to change the tire or to change to do some maintenance of the wheel. So there we will use this screw jack. So this screw jack is used to lift a very heavy load, very high load with the help of very minimum efforts. There is one simple examples. We will know that one single person can lift a whole bus at the one end with the help of screw jack. One driver can lift a whole bus with the help of only screw jack. So this is also the lifting machines because there is a one point is given to apply the load. So here we will apply the load, and on the second point we will apply the effort to lift a load. Okay, so here the velocity ratio of this machine, the equation for the velocity ratio of the machine is given as circumference of this effort wheel. So circumference of this effort wheel to the pitch of the screw. So with the help of this lead screw, this is a screw is given. With the help of this screw, we will lift a very high load. Also we know that there are the two type of machines. One is a reversible machine and second one is a irreversible machines. So in a single purchase scrap machine, basically we will perform the two experiment. One experiment is based on the reversible machine and second experiment is based on the irreversible machines. So reversible machine means whenever we remove our efforts, the machine start rotating in a reverse directions without applying any efforts. So in a single purchase scrap machine, single purchase bin scrap machine, that machine can start rotating in a reverse directions without applying any efforts. But in the case of simple screw jack is a irreversible machines which cannot be rotated without applying any efforts in the reverse directions. Which cannot be rotated in a reverse directions without applying any efforts. आपको मालूम है कि जब भी अपन बस को लिफ्ट करते हैं, लेकिन एट द टाइम उसको डाउनवर्ड नीचे लाने के लिए अपने को रिवर्स डायरेक्शन में भी एफर्ट अप्लाई करना पड़ता है. उसका मीनिंग ऐसा है कि दैट इज ए इरिवर्सिबल मशीन्स. मीन्स दिस मशीन विल नॉट स्टार्ट रोटेटिंग, it will get rest at whatever position we will keep it, जिसको जितना भी उसको लिफ्ट करेंगे वो हाइट के ऊपर ये रेस्ट हो जाएगा, और जब भी उसको नीचे लाना है तो अपने को अगेन एपर्ड अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. सो दिस इज ए irreversible machines. So here this wheel is given, double-ended pulley is given. So with the help of this pulley, here we are applying the efforts. To apply the efforts, rope is given, and the one end pan is provided, and to the pan we will apply the efforts. Then the load is kept on the top side of the wheel. तो यहाँ पे लोड रखेंगे और with the help of this rope we will apply the efforts. So before that we have to take the two readings. There are the two observations before to start the experiment. One is the circumference of this tapered wheel, and second one is the pitch of the. Now we will measure the circumference of a tapered wheels with the help of this thread.
किती
590.
590.
So 590 mm is the circumference of a tapered wheel. Then here we have to measure the pitch of the screw. So on the chalk we will take the one print of that pitch of the screw, and here we will measure the pitch of the screw with the help of this chalk and vernier caliper. So this is a vernier caliper which is used to measure a pitch of the screw.
Top to top, top to top, bottom to bottom.
ते एक्सप्लेन करतो.
बस ठीक आहे.
इकडे दिसलं पाहिजे ते किती एम एम. The pitch of the screw with the help of vernier caliper we are measuring
काढू.
with the help of vernier caliper. The pitch of the screw is 4.7 mm. Now we have to calculate velocity ratio, which is given as the ratio of circumference of a tapered wheel to the pitch of the screw. The circumference is 590 mm and pitch of the screw is 4.7 mm. So the velocity ratio is 125.53. Now we will start to apply the load and to measure the effort required to lift a load. So for in the observation table, again as like the last experiment, basically at the starting of the observation table, two columns is given. So first column is given for load applied and second column is given for effort applied. So here we are applying the load. So here there is no hanger, so weight of a hanger we will consider 0, and weight applied, that value we have to load in the load column there at weight applied column, and the total weight is 0 plus actual weight applied on the top of the pulley. At the second column is of effort. So first column is given in the effort is weight of pan. So how many weight is of the pan, that is given, and it is same for all. So weight of pan is 65 gram So you can note down the 65 gram weight of pan for hot reading. Then weight in the pan, that is effort in the pan. So how many weight is applied to lift a load, that we have to measure. So for the first reading, we will take the 1000 gram load and we will increasing the load by 1000 gram. Means for the last reading, for the fifth reading, the weight applied is 500 gram. So for first reading, the weight is 1000 gram. And now we will measure how many effort is required to lift a load. So how we can say that the lift will get lifted? When this pulley will start rotating, the lift will get lifted. So here the screw will come one pitch above by when the pulley is rotating by one circumference. So when it will complete one rotations, at that time this wheel will get lifted by one pitch. That we have to say. So here we are applying efforts and we will measure how many efforts is required to lift a load. So firstly we will start directly from 200 gram. The load will not get lifted. Again we will increase the effort by 100 gram. It will not get lifted. Again increase the effort by 50 gram. So this is a 50 gram weight. Again we will increase the effort by 50 gram. Now the effort is 350 gram. And now it will start rotating. So for first reading, the effort required is 350 gram. So for 1000 gram, load, the effort applied is 350 gram and weight of pan is 65 gram. Then for the second reading, the load is 2000 gram. So here we are applying the load 2000 gram. This is a load of 2000 gram. Again we will measure how many effort is required to lift a 2000 gram load. Firstly the effort is 200 gram. Just check whether it will start rotating or not. It will not rotate, so increase the effort again by 100 gram. Okay, again it will not rotate. So now again we will apply the load, applying the efforts, increasing the efforts by 50 grams. Now the total effort is 350 gram. It will not completely rotate, so just increase the effort by 20 gram. Now the total effort is 370 gram. Okay. So now the effort required for to lift a 350 gram to lift a 2000 gram load is 370 gram. So note down. The weight applied is 2000 gram and effort required is 370 gram. Now for the third reading, the load lifted is 3000 gram and we have to check, we have to measure how many effort is required to lift a 3000 gram load. So here the load is 3000 gram. So here we will start to applying the effort by 300 gram directly from 300 gram. So on the 300 gram it will not start rotating. So increase the again effort by 50 gram. Now the total effort is 350 gram. Okay, just it is not completely rotate. So again increase the effort by 20 gram.
Pass that.
Okay, again increase the effort by 20 gram. So now we will increase the effort by 50 gram, and now the total effort is 400 gram.
Okay.
So now for the third reading, for 3000 gram load, effort required is 400 gram. Then again increase the load by 1000 gram. For the fourth reading, the load is 4000 gram, and we will check how many effort is required to lift a 400 gram, 4000 gram load. So firstly we will apply 200 gram efforts. No, it will not start rotating. So increasing the effort by 100 gram. Then increasing the effort by 50 gram. Now the effort is 350 gram. Again increasing the effort by 50 gram. And now the effort is 400 gram. It will not completely rotate. So increasing the effort by 20 gram. And now the effort is 420 gram. Again increasing the effort by 20 gram, and now the effort is 440 gram. Now increasing the effort by 10 gram, and now the effort is 450 gram. Okay, it will get rotate, and the load will get lifted with the help of 450 gram load. So for the next reading, for 4000 gram load, effort is 450 gram.
ते दोन किलो अंदर.
Then for the next reading, the load is 500 gram. So there is 2000 gram load. So this is for 2000 gram load, and now the load is 4000 gram, and now this is 1000 gram load. So now the total load is 5000 gram load. So now we will measure how many effort is required to lift a 5000 gram load. So here we will start from the 400 gram load, because already we have checked for the last reading for 4000 gram effort required is 450 gram. So here we will start directly on the 400 gram load. So effort applied is 400 gram and load applied is 5000 gram. It will now start rotating. So increase the effort by 50 gram, and now the effort is 450 gram. Okay, again increase the effort by 50 gram, and now the effort is 500 gram. Increase the effort by 20 gram. Now the effort is 520 gram.
पुन्हा सोडू.
Now again we will increase the effort by 50 gram. Now the total effort is 550 gram. it will start rotating. So the effort required for to lift a 5000 gram load is 550 gram.